member for Saanich South.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, when you look around BC today, you just might think something's amiss, or a mess, to put it bluntly. It may look like something's a little off, or a little flat. You might just conclude that it's bad hair day here in BC, but actually, Mr. Speaker, it's the first day of Bike to Work Week, and many of us are sporting the very coveted hairstyle those of us in the know call helmet head. For me, it's an everyday look, and I'm proud of it. H.G. Wells once said, "When I see an adult on a bicycle, I do not despair for the future of the human race." Well, would he ever be excited today, Mr. Speaker? It's the 17th annual Bike to Work Week, and it's being held from May 30th to June 5th all across BC. The vision of Bike to Work Week is to experience the joy of an ever-increasing number of people safely commuting by bicycle. The mission is to encourage more people in all BC communities to commute by bicycle through Bike to Work initiatives. Last year in Victoria alone, we had 633 registered teams, a total of 5,744 cyclists, 830 new cyclists, and a total of 243,798 kilometers cycled. Albert Einstein once said, "Life is like riding a bicycle. In order to keep your balance, you must keep moving." And that's just what Bike to Work Week does. It helps introduce an opportunity to stay healthy, physically and mentally, while reducing our carbon footprint. We can arrive bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for work, which leads to greater productivity and a healthier workforce. I'll leave you with a quote from John F. Kennedy, Mr. Speaker. "Nothing compares to the simple pleasure of a bike ride."